Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will tell you how to do a warranty claim of your defective or damaged tire. Recently I purchased a Kelly tire. Due to some fault, my front left hand tire hit the curb and it hit the curb at a very slow speed. In fact, in a parking speed. I never thought that at this speed my sidewall should get damaged. Let me show you. मैंने सोचा था कि इतना छोटा सा इम्पैक्ट में कुछ नहीं होगा मेरा टायर को, लेकिन जब टायर को देखा, अब देखिए कहाँ वो हिट किया था. In fact, the car was at a very slow at parking speed and the tire sidewall hit this particular area, and I think it actually hit the soft spot of the tire and the sidewall got damaged. So I went to the dealer point for a warranty replacement under the clause of unconditional warranty. I cannot show you the tire right at this moment. I have got a picture, I will show you. And the dealer has asked me to come and collect the new tire for the exchange. So let's go and find out what is the situation over there. This is where the damage took place. This one, the side wall has scraped off. You see? So a new tire is being provided in replacement of that particular tire. And I had to pay 380 rupees for handling and other charges. So that's a very good option for Goodyear tires. A lot of persons were, especially my viewers, were telling don't go for Goodyear, their service is bad. But I had a very good experience with Goodyear. Let me tell you guys, I deposited the tire on Friday and by Monday evening I got the replacement, so that was very fast service from Goodyear. I got fitted and this is later make than my previous tire. So thank you very much for processing the warranty claim so fast, and I will always suggest whenever you buy any tire or anything, I will always suggest you take from a good dealer point. That is one thing, because if the dealer is good, he will take after the responsibility of all these warranty claims. Okay, so thank you very much. So that brings to the end of our warranty claim process, and it's a very easy one. And if you have liked this video and if you have find this procedure useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So thanks for watching and goodbye.